Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be showing you how to remove certain apps on Canva using your phone. So let us get started. To begin, open your Canva application and tap on the plus icon located below to create a new canvas. Choose the size that best suits your project needs. Now, click on the plus icon located on the left corner and select Apps. Tap on your app and you will find a list of apps that you have added to Canva for enhanced functionality. If you no longer wish to use a particular app in your Tools section, simply tap on the three dots onto the Apps icon. A menu will pop up and you will see an option that says Remove from your apps. Tap on this option and the app will be removed from your Canva integration. By removing certain apps, you can customize your Canva experience to include only the tools that are most relevant to your design needs. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next one.